I'm excited to make this video because it comes at your request. There was a lot of people who were basically talking to me about how is it that I get my support and resistance levels, and why is it that I even trade support and resistance, and why I don't necessarily like to scalp the market. So for example, today this 40 level was a very heavy level, which obviously has been in play all day today. And without getting into too much details of today, we did long that level down there, and didn't play it the best, but either way, we still capitalized on the move, growing the XFA here. So what I do want to mention on this video series here is that I'm going to be making a 3-video part series explaining my 3 bread and butter setups. And first video is going to be all about the traps, which is the number one, the best, the gorgeous setup, the trap. Number 2 is going to be the back test, because every single support level that is recovered from a trap, that now becomes a back test possibility entry. And number 3, the infamous, the one and only, the breakdown. And I'm not making none of these terms up. I learned them myself. Like I said, I've been studying the market since the age of like maybe 14, 15, reading books about them, but not like heavily, you know what I mean? I was a teenager, so I was all over the place a little bit, but it has always been an interest to me in terms of being a full-time trader and being able to trade and do this for a living. So about basically 2 years and a little bit ago is when I started to trade full-time. And that's when I came across basically this particular individual, which I will not mention. You're not going to find them on YouTube or anything, but he's really a mentor of mine. He's the one who's taught me everything that there is to know about the traps, the back test, the breakdowns, and essentially has got me rid of that retail mentality, or very basic retail mentality, which is over trading, trying to trade more to make more, and trying to make trades against the overall trend. And really and truly, he's the one who basically got me to be making trades, and to even got me to understand how trend is developed and where trend is overall headed. So I'm going to leave this video at that. It's going to be a short one, but just keep in mind, these videos are going to be some of the most important videos that I'm ever going to make, for the reason being that I do think that they're going to give you a little bit deeper of an insight of the way that I view the market. And it's going to be a very different take than what I think you're going to be able to find online. That's exactly why I started this whole YouTube channel. It is not to be like everybody else. If I wanted to be like everybody else, I might as well throw in the towel right now, because it's not going to work. But I think that I have a unique take because, well, based on everything else I can see online, it is a little bit unique. And if that can help you, I'm not saying that this is the best way, but it's the way that has worked for me. So if this could potentially help you, well, then I'm happy for it. And that's exactly why I decided to have this channel, and to help whoever does find value in all this free content. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you all. Stay tuned. Saturday will be the first video explaining the first concept out of my 3 concepts. So I'm excited for it. I hope that you find value in this whole docu-series that I'm going to do. Or not docu-series, but, you know, this whole major launch of these videos that I want to do. So, peace.